how to permanently deactivate your Instagram account on Android. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on Android and make sure you're signed into the account you want to deactivate. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now tap Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Manage Account. Again, tap Manage. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Now select Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. Again, tap Continue if prompted. Instagram will ask you to enter your password to verify your identity. Enter your password, then tap Continue. Next, choose a reason for deactivating your account and tap Continue again. Finally, tap Continue, then tap Deactivate Account to confirm. And that's it. Your Instagram account has now been deactivated. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.